Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you the world's easiest tomato soup. This is really something you can do when you had a very hard day at work and you just want something quick and still a little bit healthy to eat. First of all, you want to take an onion and cut that down into smaller pieces. You want to heat up some oil in a pan for about a minute and then throw the onion in there and fry that for around 3 minutes. Then you want to press your garlic into that as well and keep it in there for maximum 1 minute. Then you want to take your canned tomatoes and throw them in there. You also want to add some water to that. The exact measurements are down below. Now you want to take some vegetable stock for some seasoning. You also want to add some salt and some sugar. And then you want to boil that for 30 minutes on low heat. Before the time's up, you want to throw in some herbs. So I used some Italian herbs, whatever you like. And I also used a little bit of chocolate so it gets more creamy. So you want to let that sit for maybe another minute and then you're ready to puree everything into a nice even soup. Now you can go ahead and just add more spices to your taste. So I added a little bit more salt, a little bit more of the herbs, and then also a little bit of smoked paprika for some oomph. And then I really like the taste of this. So yeah, it's super easy. I hope you give it a try. I hope you enjoy it. I always like to make some croutons to that. So yeah, hope you enjoy it and I will talk to you soon. Bye.